What's up, guys? We are here in Jacksonville, Florida. We are pumped to be here. Beautiful weather. Florida is always a good time. The Florida Monster Jam fans are second to none. We had a great practice yesterday. I ran second fastest. I think Mike was third or fourth, maybe fifth fastest. Anyways, it's good practice. Shook the trucks down. In the middle of the week, we found some problems with my truck that we did not see coming into this week. I had to run or roll new bearings into the motor. And then we also had a bent drive shaft, so I had to change that. Had to change the distributor because the little wheel pin inside the distributor itself actually broke. Sorry I didn't get content with you guys. It's just, it's been a very hectic weekend, and you know, there comes a point where you just got to put the camera down and knock some work out, so that's what we did. Well, we got Bam here. She is the driver of the Revenge Mini Monster. She is actually Mike Christensen's daughter. And so she's out here hanging out with us, helping out. She loves monster trucks, and she's always good to be around, have around, and help out. And hopefully we can see her out in a full-size truck tearing it up someday. And yeah, we are pumped. Hopefully we can make some good content for you guys this weekend, and we can have some good results.
Congratulations. This has been a long time coming. You have been one of the most fastest and consistent racers out here on the track. You've made it to the racing final so many times. How does it feel to finally clinch the racing victory?
Jacksonville, I will always remember this. I'm a racer at heart. Each and every weekend I come out here and give it 110%. And we got some stiff competition each and every time we make it to the semifinals or the finals. And I either I'm choking or I just get out-edged by the competition. But guess what? tonight's my night. I got to thank everybody at Team Throttle Monster for standing behind me. I got to thank my beautiful wife, Kaylin, at home, crew, and Brex. Without them, I couldn't come out here and do what I do. Great competitors like Cole. Me and Cole have known each other for a long time. We both come from working on trucks, and now we're out here competing against each other. You can't ask for a better dream than that.
Huge congratulations and very well said. As we know, when it comes to this sport, momentum is a big thing. So do you think finally clinching that victory, that first victory of 2023, you're going to be able to carry that momentum into the Great Clip Skills Challenge?
I certainly hope so. You know, my teammate Mike, he got it overall last week, so I feel like this weekend's my turn. We're got the old steam engine rolling. We got racing. Hopefully we can do something cool and spectacular in two-wheel. And then freestyle, we're going to leave that truck all out there and pick up the pieces afterwards. But hey, you know what? You Monster Jam fans, you guys spend your hard-earned money to come see us, so we're going to give you an event of a lifetime.
How about it, folks? Let's hear it for your Monster Jam Racing winner, Travis Mowry, Velociraptor.
made it out alive here in Jacksonville. It was pretty good for the most part.
It's fun times. Travis finally won racing. It's only taken him 19 times to get to the final round, and he finally did it. He finally won. Thank God that Travis found the right pedal and finally won racing.
Yeah, this year, man, I couldn't tell you how many times I've made it to the semifinals or finals, and either I've choked or I've just gotten edged out by the other competition. But tonight, the old Blue Dinosaur was on rails, and I went to the final round with Cole, and we just sealed the deal, and I cannot be more pumped to do it here in Jacksonville. I was here back in 2018 driving Zombie, made it to the finals, and lost to Jimmy Cretin by like half a tire. And so tonight was my night. I didn't really have the two-wheel I was looking for. Went late in the field in freestyle. Went out there, I felt like I had a pretty good run underneath me. Went in backflip. Not really too sure if it was error on my part or just a bad judgment on the ramp, but twisted at mid-flight and came down, landed upside down, bent a 4-link bar, a couple 4-link bars, tore up the body. Just didn't really see anything else major, just a couple little loose ends, stuff we can just fix up. Mike, he had a nice little freestyle going. He backflipped perfect. He ended up locking the planetary up in two-wheel skills, got that all fixed. And other than that, I mean, I think we're in pretty good shape. Just got some tore up stuff, but
just fiberglass. Just fiberglass. That's why we have Wendy here. She's our fiberglass chick. She loves doing it. The bodies, yeah, they're a little jacked, but I got third in freestyle, so got some bonus money, and nothing really broke. Just body problems.
Can't really ask for much better than that.
I broke nothing. Let's rephrase it. I didn't break nothing.
I mean, technically,
Travis.
Hey, the truck rolled out. Might not have been driving it. The loader might have pulled it out, but it rolled out.
It did. Yep.
But no. So, anyways, sorry I didn't get all the content I normally do for you guys this past week/weekend. It has been an extremely hectic week for me and Mike, between trucks and unforeseen damage that surprises and just one thing after another. It was probably 3 nights in a row me and Mike didn't finish working on trucks till 3 o'clock in the morning, and we're back out at 8-9 o'clock in the morning the following. So yeah, we're gonna push these things in the trailer. We're gonna patch them all up in Orlando, and we will get after it and do it all again. Peace.
Yeah, Angry Mike out.